In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide formatting marks in LibreOffice Writer in just a few quick steps. If you've ever opened a document and seen those little dots, arrows, paragraph symbols, and other hidden characters, this tutorial will help you turn them off so your page looks clean and easier to read. This is especially useful when you want to focus on the actual content or when you're preparing a document to share or print. If this video helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful software tutorials just like this. 1. Alright, let's get into it. First, open LibreOffice Writer on your computer. Once the program is open, load the document you want to work on, or start with a new blank page if that's easier. Now, before hiding the formatting marks, you can select the text area where you want to make this change. In many cases, you may want to hide the marks throughout the whole document, but selecting the text first can help you keep track of where you're working. After that, look at the top menu bar and click View. This menu contains several display options that control what you see on the screen while editing your document. When the drop-down menu opens, look for formatting marks. If it is currently checked, that means the hidden characters are visible right now. Simply click it once to uncheck it. As soon as you do that, the formatting marks will disappear from your document, making the text area look much cleaner and more professional. If you ever need to see them again, you can always go back to the View menu and turn formatting marks back on with one click. This is really helpful when you're editing spacing, tabs, paragraph breaks, or other layout details, because formatting marks can make those invisible elements easier to spot. But when you just want a cleaner view, hiding them is the fastest way to go. And that's it. You've now learned how to hide formatting marks in LibreOffice Writer. It only takes a moment once you know where to look, and it can make your writing and editing experience much more comfortable. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.